Shaklee is simply a different kind of company. Over the next couple of minutes, I'd like to show you why. Part of what makes us different is our products. If you've ever had the chance to try a Shaklee product, whether for health, beauty, or an environmental way to clean, we're pretty sure you already understand why Shaklee is the #1 natural nutrition company in the U.S. Put simply, for over 50 years, our products have been tested rigorously and proven effective, with purity potency and quality guaranteed. Safe and effective, Shaklee has been living in harmony with nature for over 52 years. The second part of what makes Shaklee different is the opportunity we represent to people who want to improve their lives while helping improve the world. Our model is so powerful and unique that we've given it a trademark. We call our approach social marketing. And again, it's based on the simplicity of nature. Instead of paying advertisers, retail outlets, or other third parties to get the word out about our products, Shaklee pays you. Think Facebook for entrepreneurs with a conscience. But what really makes us simply different is how we bring these two parts of our business, our products and our opportunity, together. Working with Shaklee simply means that you're helping to create a better world, a healthier world, and a more sustainable world for yourself, your family, and the whole planet. Sound impossible? Not at all. Here, let me show you. When you start as a member of the Shaklee family, think of your new business as a brand new tree. Maybe you're small, but you have infinite potential. And right from the beginning, your Shaklee mentor will be with you, helping you grow. Every time you contact someone, it's like a new bud on your tree, a new opportunity to grow. Think of Shaklee products as your leaves. Every time you sell a product, you're adding more leaves to your tree and you're making money on every new leaf. There are actually 5 ways to make money in Shaklee, and this is the first. Profit on the sale of products. The more products you sell, or leaves on your tree, the more profit you make. As you share the Shaklee opportunity, think of your distributors as new branches growing from your tree. Each time one of your contacts, friends, or members becomes a Shaklee distributor or joins as what we call a gold ambassador, it means a new branch on your tree, helping you both grow. And that is another way you can make money in Shaklee. Gold Ambassador Program bonuses. But here's the best part. Every time one of your branches sells a Shaklee product, they're adding leaves onto their branch, which means more leaves on your entire tree, which means you're now making money on every branch and every leaf, even those leaves where you only helped that person grow, which is the third way to make money in Shaklee, personal group volume bonuses. And that is what we mean by social marketing. In the same way that a tree grows in nature, every branch on your tree helps you grow, and every leaf on every branch means your tree gets bigger, healthier, and stronger. Now, let me ask you something. What happens to a tree that only grows leaves? Well, it might become bushy, but it will never grow tall and reach its true potential. That's where the real opportunity of Shaklee's social marketing model comes alive. Once one of your branches, one of your distributors, gets big enough, it will need to stand on its own. So imagine that your tree drops a seed, which then becomes its own tree. Now you're making money from the product sales represented by every leaf, every branch on your tree, and a percentage of the group sales from that new tree. Now think about what that means. As your circle of distributors grows, it's as if you're creating an entire forest. And now you're making money from every leaf and every branch of every tree, which is another way to earn with Shaklee. For duplicating yourself and helping that distributor become their own tree, you can earn what we call leadership bonuses. And that's when Shaklee's social marketing model becomes simply unique, unlike the approach of any other business anywhere. Because with Shaklee and our 5th way to make money, True Infinity bonuses, you receive a commission on true infinity volume generated by the entire forest all the way to infinity. That's right. From your first little tree, you have the opportunity to grow a forest as far as you can see, while never losing sight of your own tree of distributors at the center. Only with Shaklee will you make money from every leaf, every branch, every tree, the entire forest, and out to infinity. Social marketing. It's the opportunity to change your life while helping change the world. And that's what makes Shaklee so simply different. We invite you to learn more and join us today.